Who wouldn't want to become a millionaire, particularly if it included their passion? Taking their preferred coin as an example. Although it would seem impossible, several individuals have succeeded in doing so. One of these individuals put only $8,000 into Shiba Inu and made a hopping $5.7 billion. Let's look at their background in cryptography and the methods they used for training. Make sure you watch the whole video since it has a lot of insightful information. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. But first, something crucial you should be aware of before we go on to the major news. SHIB whales, or large holders of Shiba Inu coins, have been aggressively shifting huge portions of their holdings. Recently, they completed a transfer of 22.3 billion SHIB tokens, worth over $150,000 in under 10 minutes. The two transactions were recently highlighted by the blockchain analysis tool from Arkham Intelligence. The first transfer involves money flowing into a specific cryptocurrency wallet. Interestingly, this specific wallet reactivated today after being inactive since October 3. This idle wallet quickly started to amass a sizable number of Bitcoin holdings. The valuables that were collected included $42 Bitcoin, $1.35 million in USDT, and $400,000 USDC. This wallet just underwent one transaction with an influx of 11 billion SHIB tokens. This address immediately began selling the cryptocurrency tokens it had acquired after the flood. The 11 billion Shiba Inu coins that it has for its SHIB holdings were also relocated today to a separate wallet address as part of this action. Notably, this new wallet was just authorized 2 days ago and is now active. This address was just recently created, yet it already possesses $6.55 million worth of several cryptocurrencies. Its assets total more than $1 million USDT. $1.76 million in ETH, $1.8 million in USDT, and more than $75,000 in Shiba Inus were involved. No assets have been sent out from this address as of yet, as at the time this movie was being produced, the causes of these inflows and outflows are yet unclear. But these moves are often connected to exchanges rearranging their holdings. Keep watching this video because I have some billionaires' intimate knowledge about Shiba Inus when it comes to long-term keeping. These big Shiba Inu token transfer patterns are becoming more typical among the top cryptocurrency holders. For instance, the CryptoBasic revealed a new whale address with 4.5 trillion SHIB coins on October 6th. On October 11th, a second Shiba Inu whale collected 4.6 trillion SHIB tokens. Data from Arkham Intelligence indicates a positive trend in Shiba Inu token movements today, notwithstanding the uncertainty surrounding these whale moves. Notably, these substantial investors have been taking their SHIB tokens off of exchanges, demonstrating a considerable change in their approach. So let's get to the amazing SHIB millionaire title. The Shiba Inu ecosystem is a well-known cryptocurrency asset that has drawn a lot of interest. This amusing coin helped many people become millions or even billionaires in its early years. However, one account in particular jumps out as a modest $8,000 initial deposit quickly increased to an astounding $5.7 billion. This wallet had an astonishing 7 million% return in only 14 short months from the original investment. We must first comprehend this strange person's thinking in order to proceed. August 2020 saw the beginning of this wallet's incredible journey as $8,000 was donated to SHIB. The investor could scarcely have predicted at the time that this tiny investment would turn into an improbable financial triumph. SHIB had an incredible spike by October 2021, representing a phenomenal gain of 1,000%. Even more amazing is the fact that this increase happened in only 400 days. The financial world was in awe of this unmatched return on investment, which has led to it being hailed as the greatest individual transaction of all time by both professionals and amateurs. It's important to emphasize that this specific investor has a history in cryptocurrencies that dates back to 2011, and has previously accumulated significant gains in the market. The investor made it clear that they lacked any intimate knowledge of Shiba Inus. The investor was given Shiba Inu as a possible Dogecoin rival. Shiba Inu was introduced to this early Bitcoin investor by friends in the cryptocurrency world who marketed it as a Dogecoin competitor. It's important to note that the investor said they had not given Doge any money. The value of the investment first decreased after an initial $8,000 investment in the Shib market. This investor took the courageous decision to stick onto their possessions, while their colleagues opted to sell and take their losses. They stressed how important the Bitcoin community's support played in their choice to keep their investment. As a result, despite much FUD around their token, one of the key factors was the token's long-term viability. In the world of cryptocurrency and finance, FUD stands for fear, uncertainty, and doubt. It is a strategy used to propagate false or unfavorable information about a specific cryptocurrency, project, or the whole crypto market in order to frighten and alarm investors. The main objective of FUD is to decrease the price of the targeted asset or market, allowing those who are fomenting it to invest for less or gain a competitive edge. FUD may hurt cryptocurrencies in a number of ways. First off, it may result in a sharp decline in price for a cryptocurrency, which might cost investors money if they panic sell in response to bad news. This may subsequently undermine trust in the cryptocurrency industry and make it more difficult for genuine initiatives to acquire momentum. Shiba Inu encountered FUD on many occasions, but thankfully the development team stopped it from getting out of hand. FUD may harm a cryptocurrency or blockchain project's reputation, which makes it more difficult for it to attract partners, investors, or developers. If misleading information or unsupported assertions are presented, it may also result in regulatory scrutiny, which might result in legal repercussions for those who disseminate FUD. In conclusion, FUD may affect both individual investors and the larger ecosystem by undermining the stability, credibility, and confidence in the Bitcoin market. To lessen the influence of FUD on their judgments, investors must rigorously assess information and sources. Although they may not always succeed, long-term investing techniques have a history of producing big benefits. For this reason, it is crucial for investors to do in-depth research and use reasoned decision-making while making investments. In the past, long-term investors have seen their assets increase significantly across a range of asset types, including equities, real estate, and cryptocurrencies. It is important to recognize their considerable volatility inside the Bitcoin market despite the possibility for rewards. Price swings in the short term might be quite large and unclear. The common consensus among long-term investors is that these short-term volatility eventually tend to balance out. Using long-term investing techniques, investors may also reduce some of the short-term dangers brought on by market volatility. They may be able to profit when the asset's underlying worth rises by weathering market ups and downs. A considerable market growth is necessary for efficient long-term investment. Thorough investigation of the assets to be held, including knowledge of the team, technology, project fundamentals, and market trends. Making rational decisions is based on evidence and facts, not on emotional responses to transient market fluctuations. Risk may be spread out by diversifying a long-term investing portfolio among a variety of assets. In this way, profits from multiple investments might balance possible losses if one investment underperforms. In any case, you retain ultimate discretion. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.